magic, right? That's how she does. She said, no, you don't. You have to turn it over. I said, okay, Mom. For me, I just put the lid on and let it cook. Okay. Okay, this is shredded coconut. Now they have a shredded coconut, shredded young coconut. This is very good. You can find this in a frozen food section. They even have it in a supermarket. Just go to the freezer in a plastic bag. So we're gonna add this in here. I'm gonna add some black sesame seeds because I feel that the black it shows, the white one doesn't show, just blend in. Okay, we might need a little bit of water, right, Mom? Mẹเอาน้ำใส่เต็มบ่
เอาเนี่ยเอาน้ำมะพร้าวเนี่ยกับปองกับข้าวเนี่ยล้างข้าวเนี่ยใส่
Okay, she wants me to rinse it in this coconut milk so we don't lose anything. Good idea, Mom.
ขอ
Oh, sorry. ไล่พด
ได้แล้วมันนี่
She said I add too much water. Sorry, Mom. Alright, in the meantime, I'm gonna cut all this for her. And we're gonna deep fry this like tempura. This is very, very good. I'm just gonna, I have the garbage right here. Just gonna use half, it's plenty. เอาสิใส่ตัวนั้นเพื่อได้บ่เป็นหยังหรือไม่ตัดตึมบ่
เอาในเปลือกเพีย
Oh, okay. Alright. The oil is ready. See thatบ่ Okay. Make a slice. บางเพิ่นบ่พอดีแล้วบ่ Okay, make it thin. About an inch and a half wide, 3 inches long, and quarter inch thick. You need a very sharp knife to do this. There you go, Mom. And okay, we're gonna use this one. นี่ไหม
ใส่ตัวนั้น
Okay, เอาไปปะไว้ฮะเรามาจืดอยู่พี่ Okay. เอาใส่นี่บ่
ใส่แล้ว
Okay.
That's taro?
This is taro. It's have very nutty, yummy texture. So much flavor. Let's use some sweet potato. Oh, where's my peeler? Okay, I'm gonna peel this. The naman di la me. The oil is ready. You can go ahead and fry it, Mom. Just do some sweet potato. I like to try all 3 of them, but and then after you get a hang of it and you decide which one you like best. I love the taro the best. I'm gonna slice it thin for Mom. I slice it too thick and she's gonna yell at me. แม่อย่าให้นะคันตัดอันหน้าไล่นะ This is very easy. And we're gonna do some bananas here, plantain. And this is gonna be so yummy. Oh, I have to serve you the lunch or dinner. แม่ตัดเอาเองนะ Alright, I'm gonna serve you the stuffed peppers that I made ahead of time. Let me see, Mom. Oh, okay, sticky rice is ready. Mom, let me see. Let me get this. Okay, sticky rice ready. I'm gonna serve you the stuffed peppers. Alright, I made one here ahead of time so it cooked
ไฟที่แห้งพอแล้วทอดหน่อยได้
too hot.
ไม่แล้วนี่ใส่ก๋วยเตี๋ยว
Too high. Okay.
อ่อนกับพวกไม่ดีอ่อนเลย
Alright, Mom. Rice is ready. Everything's ready. So now I can serve this. Alright, that's stuffed peppers. See, and the green one is a poblano, so that's spicy. So be aware. Be aware. Okay, I'm gonna get you the sticky rice in just a minute. Serve you this. Okay. Sticky rice. Oh, where's the? Okay. Sticky rice with stuffed peppers and steamed vegetables. I'm just gonna stir it a little bit before I put it in the sticky rice container. this sticky rice container. It will keep the rice warm without lacking the moisture inside. Alright. Let me serve you this. There you go, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Oh, I have the vegetables.
So you
I
have
need to
something
add
too.
some, yeah, hold on. Let me get, okay. Working with 2 people is not that easy. Okay. I'm gonna put this on the side right here. We steam. There you go, guys. Enjoy. Alright, banana's gonna be coming up soon. Ooh. Hot? Yeah, it's hot. There you go. Let me cut the bananas for Mom. Cut like this, Mom? Thin? Is that good? Okay. พอแล้วบอนี่นะหน้าพดบอก
พอแล้ว
Okay, I'm gonna use some sweet potatoes too. Wash it first before you cut into it. See, the inside of the red sweet potato is white, but the flavor is a lot of flavor. I love this. Sometimes I just, in Laos, we just steam this and eat it like for snacks. We don't have McDonald's, we don't have chips and all that stuff. We have to cook everything. So when we harvest it, but they're not this big either. They're very tiny, but very, very nice.
Does it
flavors.
taste similar to the regular sweet potato?
Yes, actually I can have you taste this raw. Okay. Okay, Mom have made some here. This is what they look like after you fry them, and they taste very, very good. Okay, I'm gonna have you guys taste some of this. This one with taro.
Thank you.
This one with banana. So Tom, which one you wanna try? Yeah, would you like to try? Denise? So Tara? Okay, I'll try this one. Very good.
It's hot.
Alright.
It's delicious.
Very crispy, right? This is on in Laos they will be steaming, frying this on the little store here. They're sitting down, that's all they make, selling it all day long with that banana. It's very, very good. Almost done there, Mom. Oh, this is great. I hope you enjoy the food, guys. Thank you for coming.
Delicious. Thank you.
Oh, I'm glad. Thank you so much for watching. Sơn Sếp.